This is a turbomolecular pump impeller, which is divided into 8 stages with a total of 365 thin wall blades. All blades are free-form surfaces, and the ratio of blade height to thickness is greater than 38:1. The key to machining such spatially complex parts lies in developing a safe 5-axis machining process. Jingdiao introduces a new mode of 5-axis process development, utilizing the DT programming technology of Jingdiao CAM software. It efficiently completes the 5-axis machining process, reducing the development cycle from 60 days to 14 days. The specific steps of this solution are as follows. Establish a virtual machining environment in SurfMill software that mirrors the actual machining environment and conduct 5-axis process development. Subsequently, complete simulation and virtual machining. In the software, interference and overcut checking are implemented based on the inspection result. Perform process optimization and conduct another round of simulation and virtual machining to output a safe and reliable 5-axis machining process. Simultaneously, select the Jingdiao 5-axis high-speed machining center GRA400, utilizing 5-axis coordinated machining. This allows for one-time clamping to complete all feature machining on the equipment, with support for continuous stable processing of tools with a length-to-diameter ratio of up to 16:1 for 8 hours. Ultimately, achieve precise machining of all features of the turbomolecular pump impeller. The dynamic balance amplitude is less than 3 micrometers, and the surface is smooth without any burrs. Next, let's take a look at the enchanting allure of GRA400 as it makes the tools dance among the 365 blades.